guys, welcome back to PDA, your handheld guide to understanding psychological data analysis. Today we'll be covering z-tests. This is the first of many lettered tests that you can do in statistics, and it's by far the easiest, in fact the basis for most of the other tests as well. The formula is pretty simple. It's x minus mu divided by the standard deviation, which if you remember, and we're going to work with the same sample through the whole series. We got a mean, or mu, of 4.5 and a standard deviation of 2.43. Before we calculate that out, let me give you the definition of a z-score. The z-score is the number of standard deviations the score is above the mean if it's positive, or below the mean if it's negative. Let's find out what exactly that means. So go ahead and plug in. Let's say we want to find the z-score of 8. Figure it's probably one of the largest numbers. Let's see what percentile it's in. So you're going to take 8, which is your x, minus your mean, or mu, which is 4.5, divided by your standard deviation, which we found out to be 2.43. Go ahead and work that out. Pause the video if you need to. Alright, we came up with a z-score of 1.44, just about. So now, we're going to take this z-score and move over back to the normal curve, because after all, that's what this is for. Okay, we're back here with our standard curve, and now we're going to put that z-score that we just found to use. So we just found a z-score of 1.44. Let's go ahead and plot it on here, and 1.44 would put us at about right here, a little under halfway between the standard deviations. That's our z-score. And now, all you do is you go to your book, and you look up in the z-table, look up z of 1.44. You find that the percent from the mean to z is 42.51. So from here to our z-score should be 42.51%. From the z-score to the very end of the tail should be 7.49%. This will come in pretty handy on later tests. From here we can do percentiles. We know that this side has to be 0.5 of all data, or 50%. So we already know that a score of 8 is over 50%, is over the 50 percentile. Now we just got to figure out what's left of the percentile over here. And we just found out from the table that 42.51% is going to be in between the mean and here. So to find out the percentile of our z-score of 1.44, which translates back to an original score of 8, all we do is add 50 to 42.51, which means 8 is higher than 92.1% of all of the numbers in the sample. Now in this particular one, it's higher than all of the numbers, but it's still within 2 standard deviations. That doesn't make sense. When we add the 50% and the 42.51% we have from the mean to our z-score, we get a percentile of 92.51. That means that this z-score is in the 92nd percentile. And percentiles are as easy as that. I hope this helped you understand z-tests a little more. If you have any questions or you'd like to know a little bit more information, follow the link at the end. You know, I heard 2 variables talking, and they were whispering so they thought they'd be discreet, but I know I heard their chatter continuously. Have a good day.